Okay, once we have finished the PySeg, the next step in the picking workflow is the graphs calculation. Back in our project, as you can see, the name of the project has changed, and I have also executed the graphs, the fields, and the picking. This is because this is a previous project, but with the same data of the previous videos. So now let's open the graphs protocol. First parameter I should have to consider is the threads that can be used for the graphs calculation. It depends on the calculation power that the machine you're using to execute the protocol has. And apart from that, I only need to provide a pointer to a PySeg protocol which has been previously executed, and I have some advanced parameters related to the graphs calculation. Again, I encourage you to read the helps just to get a good intuition about how to tune them in case they are necessary. So at this point I could execute the protocol and I obtained a graphs protocol successfully finished if everything goes good. There's no output objects because they are generated at the end of the picking workflow, which means after the picking execution. But we are providing here another of the 3D viewers developed. To use it, we only have to select the graphs protocol and click on Analyze Results. Then again a window is displayed with the objects that we have been processing, and let me double click on one of these, for example, I don't know, this one, and then the main window of the viewer is displayed. I can click on tomogram to have a view of my vesicle, and I can paint the graphs. Let me show you. The graphs present a different color depending on the area they have been calculated, and I can also display a lot of metrics such as the membrane, Euclidean distance, and so on. The same tools shown in the viewer for the annotated membranes can be found here, which is the slice selection, the slice cutting, and so on. So that's all for the graphs, and now let's move to the filament calculation.